You just bought a new vehicle from AutoNation, but how do you keep the paint looking good for years to come? It can be especially challenging if you need to store your new car or truck outside, in harsh sun, rain, and snow. With Covercraft from AutoGear, you don't have to expose your vehicle to the elements when it's not in use. Plus, these are covers that look great, thanks to a wide selection of styles and materials. If security of your new vehicle is a concern, you can even lock your cover for added protection. To remove the cover, just roll it up and store it until you need it again. AutoGear Covercraft covers are designed to prevent scratching and to help your vehicle look great for as long as you own your car or truck. Talk to your AutoNation representative to include an AutoGear Covercraft vehicle cover in your new purchase. We can even roll AutoGear upgrades into the purchase price of your vehicle, making financing easy. For a complete line of AutoGear brands, visit AutoNation.com today. We're ready to help you make your next vehicle just as unique as you are.